How to make art using Audacity. Step 1. Find a picture. Step 2. Save your photo as a 24-bit.bmp. Most image editors on Windows or Mac should let you save your photo in this format. Step 3. File, Import, Raw Data. Verify you are using ULAW encoding. Use a mono track. Feel free to change the sample rate and byte order. I am using the default values. Step 4. Zoom into the front of the file to locate the file header. Step 5. Split clip. Create new track, drag and drop. This will separate the image data from the file header, allowing us to databend the entire image. Step 6. Select audio, and apply effect. For this example, I am using the echo effect. I am using the exact same effect on this narration. Step 7. File, Export, Export audio. Remember to use ULAW encoding. Rename the file extension to .bmp so you can reopen it in other programs. Congratulations, you have created art using Audacity. Follow the alien arms on Instagram if you want to see more Audacity art.